When it comes to going on a staycation, ang mas talaga ang may magandang view plus generous complimentaries,
Yung
diba?
tipong ramdam mo talaga yung totoong pahinga at enjoyment, kaya tara,
Samahan niyo ako dito sa Normanno Cortegui by La Havana located at Bali Tower, 25th floor. I can assure you na malilibang ka dito dahil sa dami nilang fun things to do for adults as well as for kids. Time consuming dahil meron din silang honesty store sa loob. May entertainment wherein pwede kang mag-YouTube, Netflix, and karaoke. And of course, meron silang comfy queen size bed for 2 packs, but if you're exceeding to 3 to 4 packs, meron silang pull-out bed. Nakaka-happy dahil super generous din nila sa complimentaries. And when it comes to Normanno Cortegui's kitchen, ay sis, ang iluluto mo na lang ang kulang dahil ang kitchen nila ay fully equipped na from cookwares, diningwares, utensils, at mind you, dahil free condiments pa. So, syempre, saan kakain, diba? Meron din silang dining area na set for 2 guests. Pagdating naman sa toilet and bath nila, ay syala dahil super bango at ang linis niya. May automatic washing machine na perfect for long-term stay, may hair blower, may hot and cold shower, and of course, body care. So, eto na nga, dahil pagdating sa balcony area nila, may overlooking city view, Mount Arayat view, and NLEX view. Super duper perfect ng staycation mo dito dahil all-in na, mag-e-enjoy at magre-relax ka na lang. Kaya naman mag-book ka na.